The Yamaha XTZ 150 is an incredible machine. The handling is superb, and this engine provides plenty of power.
Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't care where the pavement ends. Imagine a machine that handles the chaotic morning commute through city traffic with the same grace it displays when climbing a muddy mountain trail on a Sunday afternoon. 4 years. The 150cc dual sports segment has been a battleground of compromises. Either you got a bike that was too dirt-focused and vibrated your teeth out on the highway, or you got a street bike with fancy tires that fell apart the moment it hit a gravel path. But today the game has changed. Yamaha has finally pulled the covers off the 2026 XTZ 150, and it isn't just a refresh, it is a statement. If you've been looking for that one do-it-all bike that won't break the bank, you might want to stop scrolling. In this video, we are diving deep into why the 2026 model is being called the Mini Tenere. We'll look at the redesigned engine, the upgraded suspension, and most importantly, we'll reveal a massive surprise upgrade that Yamaha kept hidden until the very last second. A feature that puts this bike in a completely different league compared to its competitors. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly why your garage needs this machine. Section 2. Aesthetics and Design. The Mini Tenere Vibe. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Yamaha XTZ 150 is the face. Gone is the dated, bug-eyed halogen look of the past. Yamaha has taken heavy inspiration from its legendary Tenere 700, giving the XTZ 150 a more aggressive, rally-inspired front fairing. The new LED headlight assembly is stacked vertically, cutting a sharp silhouette that looks modern and premium. It's a bike that looks much larger and more expensive than its displacement suggests. The bodywork has been streamlined with sharper lines and more durable plastics that are designed to take a beating. The fuel tank, while maintaining its generous 12-litre capacity, has been reshaped to allow the rider to grip the bike better with their knees when standing on the pegs. The 2026 colour schemes are also a highlight, featuring the classic racing blue, a stealthy tech black, and a new adventure sand matte finish that screams off-road readiness. It's not just about looking good, it's about functional design. The rear luggage rack is now sturdier, ready to bolt on a top box or strap down a dry bag for those multi-day trips. Section 3. The Heart of the Beast. Refined Engine Performance. Underneath that rugged exterior lies the heart of the machine. A refined 149cc, air-cooled SOHC single-cylinder engine. Now, you might be thinking, 149cc, is that enough? For the 2026 model, Yamaha didn't just copy-paste the old engine. They've integrated a new internal balancer system to virtually eliminate the high RPM vibrations that plagued previous generations. This makes highway cruising at 90-100 km/h a much smoother experience. The Blue Core technology has been optimized for better low-end torque. On paper, it produces roughly 12.5 HP and 13.1 Nm of torque, but the way that power is delivered is what matters. The fuel injection system, FI, has been remapped for instant on-throttle response. Whether you're trying to pop the front wheel over a log or merging into fast-moving traffic, the bike feels punchy and responsive. Plus, the fuel efficiency remains legendary. You can easily expect upwards of 35 or 40 km/h, giving this lightweight adventurer a massive range. Section 4. Suspension and Handling, built for the rough stuff. A dual sport bike is only as good as its legs, and the 2026 XTZ 150 brings some serious hardware to the table. The front telescopic forks offer a massive 180mm of travel, while the rear monocross suspension, linked system, provides 160mm of travel. This setup is the Goldilocks of suspension. Firm enough to handle corners on the street without excessive diving, but soft enough to soak up potholes and rocky trails like they aren't even there. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels are wrapped in dual-purpose tires that provide a surprising amount of grip on asphalt while still offering enough bite for loose dirt. With a ground clearance of 235 meters, you don't have to worry about scraping the underbelly on every rock you encounter. This is a bike that encourages you to take the shortcut through the woods. Section 5. The Big Surprise, Technology and Safety. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the surprise that sets the 2026 model apart. For the first time ever in this category, Yamaha has equipped the XTZ 150 with single-channel ABS and a rear disc brake as standard. In previous years, the rear drum brake was a point of criticism, but for 2026, Yamaha heard the fans. This addition transforms the safety profile of the bike, especially for beginners who might be nervous about braking on wet or gravelly surfaces. But that's not all. The cockpit has been completely overhauled. You now get a full-color TFT display on the premium trim, or a highly advanced digital LCD that features Bluetooth connectivity via the Y-Connect app. You can now see your fuel consumption, service intervals, and even phone notifications directly on your dash. This level of tech is almost unheard of in the 150cc dual sport world, making the XTZ 150 feel like a truly modern piece of kit rather than a relic of the past. Section 6. Comfort and Ergonomics. The long haul, Yamaha hasn't forgotten about the rider's comfort. The seat height sits at a manageable 835 mm, which, combined with the bike's narrow profile, makes it accessible for most riders. The seat itself has been redesigned with dual-density foam, softer in the middle for comfort and firmer on the edges for support. The ergonomics are classic, upright adventure. Your back stays straight, your arms are in a relaxed position, and the wide handlebars give you immense leverage over the front end. Even the foot pegs have been upgraded with removable rubber inserts. Keep them on for vibration-free commuting, or pop them off to reveal jagged metal pegs for maximum grip in the mud. Section 7. Final verdict. Is it worth it? The 2026 Yamaha XTZ 150 isn't trying to be a high-speed racing machine. It's trying to be the most reliable, versatile, and fun companion you've ever owned. By adding modern safety features like ABS and a rear disc, upgrading the tech with a digital dash, and refining the Mini Tenere aesthetics, Yamaha has created a bike that appeals to everyone. It's perfect for the beginner who wants a forgiving first bike, the commuter who wants to save on gas, and the veteran rider who wants a lightweight play bike for the weekends. In a world where motorcycles are becoming increasingly specialized and expensive, the XTZ 150 remains a breath of fresh air. It's simple where it needs to be, advanced where it matters, and tough enough to last a lifetime. If you're looking for a bike that can take you to work on Monday and into the wilderness on Saturday, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ 150 is, without a doubt, the new king of the lightweight dual sport class. Would you take this bike on a cross-country adventure, or is it strictly for your city commute? Let us know in the comments below.